The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's original vow. The beings of Jambudvipa have strong affinities with this Bodhisattva. If they hear the Bodhisattva's name, see the Bodhisattva's image, or hear but a few words, a verse, or a sentence of this sutra, then they will enjoy particularly wonderful peace and happiness in this present life. Through hundreds of thousands of 10,000s of future lives, they will always be handsome or beautiful, and they will be born into honorable and wealthy families. Having heard the Buddha, thus come one, praise Earth-store Bodhisattva in that way, universally expansive Bodhisattva knelt, placed his palms together, and again addressed the Buddha, saying, "World-honored one, I have long known that this Bodhisattva has both inconceivable spiritual powers and mighty vows. I have questioned the thus come one so that beings in the future will know of these benefits. I receive this answer most respectfully. World-honored one, how should this sutra be titled, and how should we propagate it?" The Buddha said to universally expansive, "This sutra has 3 titles. The first is The Past Vows of Earth-store Bodhisattva. It is also called Earth-store's Past Conduct, and it is called Sutra of the Power of Earth-store's Past Vows. Because this Bodhisattva repeatedly makes such great and mighty vows throughout long eons to benefit beings, you should all propagate this sutra in accord with his vows." After universally expansive had heard that, he placed his palms together respectfully, made obeisance, and withdrew.